This is LaVida Estate Phase 5.
This is the moment.
If you look closely, you would see massive development already in place here at LaVida Estate Phase 5. The gatehouse and the perimeter fencing is already in place, coupled with other massive infrastructures that will be here in LaVida Estate Phase 5. Now, this estate is still selling and is still very much in the market. Our 300 square meter is selling for 2.1 million naira, and our 500 square meter is selling for 3.5 million naira, and our 600 square meter is selling for 4.2 million naira, all inclusive. With an initial deposit of 300,000 naira or an outright payment, you get instant allocation and you get to spread your payment within 0 to 6 months, interest free. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today to get started. And that's not all. We'll be having our physical land allocation here at LaVida Estate Phase 5. Now, our physical allocation will be divided into 3 batches. The first batch will be taking place on the 28th of March, the second batch will be taking place on the 25th of April, and the third batch will be taking place on the 2nd of May. Each of our clients will be sent a personalized mail to know their specific dates for the physical land allocation. See you soon.